If your GMC Acadia with the 6.2L V8 isn't firing up, we're going to track down the culprit in under 3 minutes. Statistically, nearly half of all non-starting issues in modern GMC SUVs stem from a weak or dying 12-volt battery. Before you call a tow truck, let's go through the diagnostic sequence to see if it's a simple fix. Start by ensuring the shifter is fully in park and checking your battery terminals for any loose connections or corrosion. If you hear a single loud click when pressing the start button, your starter motor or its ground strap is likely the problem. If the engine cranks but won't catch, the fuel pump driver module is a common failure point on this platform. Basic electrical issues are easy DIY fixes, but fuel pumps inside the tank usually require a professional shop. Repair costs vary widely, ranging from $200 for a battery to nearly $1,000 for a fuel pump. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for hidden codes that don't always trigger a check engine light. You only need a few basic tools like a 10mm socket and a multimeter to solve most starting issues. Remember that a simple loose cable is often the culprit, so check the easy stuff before buying expensive parts. Hopefully this guide helps you get your Acadia back on the road. Subscribe for more expert troubleshooting tips.